Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make a salsa. Let's get started. We're gonna need a bunch of serranos. This is about 1.5 pounds. Check out the nails. We're gonna take out the stems from the serranos and give them a quick wash. This is a simple recipe. Simple but spicy.
Solamente cuando los asas no se cocina.
We're doing this in real time, so come on and do it with us.
No, si nos dijo el padre. Él trabajaba distribuyendo la carne en carnicerías de que matan los toros y todo eso. Pero
Alright, we have our serranos ready, so now we're gonna cook them in oil. You can also use calabacita for this recipe, but we like ours super spicy, so we left them out. Give them a quick wash and make sure you wash them thoroughly.
Y esto es para que no brinque, se limpia, porque con esta agüita va a brincar el aceite y si los echas secos.
Okay, my mom said if you don't dry them thoroughly, when you drop the chiles in the oil, the water's gonna make them splash everywhere. And that's a no-no.
Sí, porque allá salió picosísimo, pero era puro de eso.
¿Está más bueno este? We're doing this together. Stay patient, stay patient.
Y ahorita que esté...
Go ahead and add some olive oil to your pan. Drop in your serranos. Be careful so the oil doesn't splash on you. It's really hot. My mom said not to move him yet. We're gonna add 1/3 of an onion. Add some more olive oil. You're gonna need a lot. And we're gonna add 3 cloves of garlic. Give them a quick toss around.
Deben de quedar así como gira.
Okay, I think we need a bigger pan.
Sí, así deben de quedar, mira, así como este color es el que deben de agarrar. Como no me traje una cazuela profunda, una cazuela de las...
Yeah, let's get a bigger pan. This is a job for my old reliable wok.
Está bien. Esa sí se le va a poder mover así. Mira. Esta así, ¿ves? No, pues esta está re bien, mira. Mira qué chupa. Con esto sí se puede. Ya está saliendo el olor, ¿ves? Queda bien sabrosa. Y quedan bien buenas, ¿verdad? Yo creo que de una grandota.
This is frying the peppers exactly how we want them. Now let's blend them together. The nails. Next, we're gonna add some chicken bouillon. Add everything in, including the oil, the onion, and the garlic. We added half a cup of more oil. It all depends on how thick you want your salsa to be. Go ahead and blend it. And after this, it's ready. I will say, this salsa is super spicy. Definitely not for the faint of heart. This salsa goes good with sopes, gorditas, tacos, and even as a dip. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Please and thank you.
Well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next week. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya.
Ando,